In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off Talkback on your Samsung device. Talkback is an accessibility feature that assists users with visual impairments by providing spoken feedback. However, if you don't require this feature or accidentally activated it, it can become quite frustrating. But worry not, as I'll show you how to quickly disable it. To get started, open up the Settings app on your Samsung device. Tap on the search button at the top right. And then search for Talkback. Tap and select Talkback. Tap Talkback one more time. As you can see, Talkback is currently enabled on my device. So to turn off Talkback, simply toggle off this switch over here. Tap Turn Off to confirm it. This is exactly how you can turn off Talkback on a Samsung device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.